Healthy employees are the foundation of a successful business. But what are the real benefits of investing in occupational health? Boosted productivity. When employees feel their best, they work more efficiently, stay engaged, and contribute to a stronger workplace culture. Healthy employees are more focused, make fewer errors, and bring higher energy to their tasks, driving overall business performance. Reduced costs. Fewer workplace injuries and less absenteeism mean lower healthcare expenses and higher operational efficiency. By proactively managing health, businesses can reduce insurance premiums, cut down on lost workdays, and avoid costly workplace incidents. Enhanced retention. When companies invest in well-being, employees are more likely to stay, and top talent is more likely to join. Competitive benefits that prioritize employee health make businesses stand out in the job market, attracting and keeping the best workers. Support sustainability goals. A healthy workforce is key to long-term business success and a more resilient organization. Occupational health doesn't just impact the present, it helps future-proof businesses by creating strong, sustainable work environments. From ergonomic improvements to preventative care, small investments in workplace health lead to big results over time. Investing in occupational health isn't just the right thing to do. It's a smart business decision that benefits employees and organizations alike. Learn more about workplace health. Visit medcor.com.